Hello friends and family, welcome back to another video. Today I'm so excited to share with you how to make Ghana kontomire stew abomu. Let's get started. So for my ingredients, I have in turkey berries, avocado, and for garden eggs I have in 3 types. I have the long ones, the normal ones we always buy from the market, and the green one. I don't know the names. Please, if you know the name, just comment down below. I also have some fresh tomatoes, some roasted peanuts, my green pepper, always called pakoshito, 1 large onions, fermented fish, and momone. And I also have some kontomire, so I'll list the rest of the ingredients as I cook. So in a clean bowl, I'll add in my konsusa or turkey berries, my garden eggs, kontomire leaves, everything is nicely washed, and my green pepper pakoshito, and I'll also add in 2 tablespoons of water. Cook this on a medium heat for at least 5 minutes. Next, I will begin to wash my kobe or salted fish very well because it contains a lot of salt and also stones as well. So I'll clean it thoroughly in water for at least 2 minutes. So I'll change the water and clean it for the final part. So next, I'm going to cut my kobe into 2 and use just the tail for this recipe because I'm going to use the head for another recipe as well. So stay tuned. So I'm going to trim the kobe very well. Just look at how sexy our kobe looks. Yes, I'm going to prep my plantain and enjoy it with my kontomire abomu. Now let me tell you a story behind this kontomire abomu. Sa kontomire stew ye na nanom painfo pa na etaye nanso no mukọ afuo ma o ma bre no ena no mutaye moma ye nso ayeduan ne so na make sure wase. It's been 5 minutes of cooking our vegetables and it is ready, so I'll set it aside and cook the plantain as well. And to send an make no ye na no painfo no mukọ afuo ma omo bra kontomire ni bibia moko bibia wafuo mu wadadanya fo no mokoto tietitia na yetenasia na apedua bi na apoto wo so same na na say adenti na mopoto modua na wodua so se hwe na mokofa apotoyo wa na say asanka wo hefa nti edua so no mopoto no nti edua ni we die your farmers favorite food nti farmers ne pa na ndi say edua ni we buy nso ya so mu twe if say ye pa ma ya pomudin. So now me de me jane nemi bibie guasankanim and I'm grinding it until everything becomes very smooth. Now if you don't have this asanka, you can choose to use your blender or a food processor and it will work perfectly fine as well. So I will roast my momone or kobe and add it to my grinded vegetables, and also add in my roasted peanuts, salt, and grind until everything becomes smooth again. Whilst I'm grinding my vegetables, I'll also check in for my plantain, and I've been cooking it for almost 15 minutes now. So I'll remove my salted fish or tilapia from it, add a little bit of water to it, set the beya but then kama yeah. Moving forward, I'm going to slice up my onions and also my tomatoes. Agroni ye guano into me and finishing hard. In a clean pot, I'll add in my palm oil, my fermented kobe, and also steam it for at least 30 seconds before I add in my onions and fresh tomatoes. Steam for at least 2 minutes before you add in your mackerel or anything you wish you can add it to it. Your salmon be a whole and I said but for now I'll be using my mackerel and it works perfectly fine as well. Madam for being so the car na sem nti abenkwan ni no any and kontomire stew no any. Our kontomire stew is ready and just look at how rich it looks. I'll just add in my sliced avocado to it, not just a grown guano no. Please subscribe to my channel and let's grow this channel beautifully, and click on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you once again. Bye bye and stay blessed.